Hey, happy Thursday to you guys. So today we're gonna start Bubble Lab number 2. So hopefully you guys were pretty successful yesterday in completing Bubble Lab number 1. But again, if you had any issues, don't worry about it. So let's go to our week at a glance. So yesterday's puzzle. So if we go back to Wednesday, we can see chair is in a weird spot. It's on the upper part of the box or the high spot. So the answer to that is high chair. So that was the daily puzzle answer. But for today, we have a new one and see if you guys can answer that. So when we start Bubble Lab number 2, you're going to spend time gathering supplies today. You're not actually going to worry about conducting the experiment today. You're going to watch the video on how to conduct the experiment because it's kind of a challenging one initially to get good at making the bubbles, but after you do, then you can collect some good data. And so you may just watch the video and trying to get a good understanding of how to make a good bubble before you actually perform it tomorrow. So tomorrow's lab sheet looks like this, okay? And so your question you're going to answer is which amount of soap solution will produce, on average, the largest bubble? So we're going to compare two different soap solutions. One soap solution will have 1 tablespoon of soap versus the other soap solution will have 3 tablespoons to 1 cup of water. All right, so then you make a claim. So a claim is just a guess, all right? What one do you think will happen? So you're just gonna fill in the blank. The soap solution with blank tablespoons will make a bigger bubble. So you either put 1 or you put 3. And then so identify what we are changing in the experiment. This is called an independent variable. So we're just kind of seeing if you guys can come up, what are we actually changing in this experiment to test? Okay, see if you can just answer it real quick. Here are some things that you'll need. You'll need the liquid soap. You'll need a measuring device, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon, a ruler, a drinking straw, measuring cup, paper towels or cloth for cleanup. And you'll see how I did that in the video. All right, so and then if you keep going down, so here's the data table that you're going to end up filling out. So when you have a good bubble with using the solution of 1 tablespoon of soap to 1 cup of water, and you're like, okay, I measured it just like Mr. Phillips showed me in the video, and I like this one, so I'm going to put 22 centimeters. And then this one, you do it again, measure it, and whatever it is, you put it again, and so on. So you repeat that experiment 4 times. Don't worry about calculating the average or the breakout room boxes yet. We're going to talk about those on Monday. And then you're going to repeat the experiment, but this time with the soap solution that has 3 tablespoons of soap in it. And you're going to make a good bubble, and you're going to count it. And then you're going to fill these out, and you're going to repeat that 4 times. Okay, and then you just clean up, and you're basically done at that point. And so that will actually happen on Friday, okay, when you actually conduct the experiment. So you don't have to worry about doing it today. Today, you're just kind of gathering the materials. So if we look back on the week preview, so you're watching me right now just kind of explain the lab. And then the lab sheet, this actually explains how to conduct and shows me actually performing the lab a little bit. And then so the rest of the period, why don't you go ahead and spend time gathering the supplies so tomorrow you're ready to go. So then that will pretty much wrap up today's activities. And so again, if you're having any difficulties, don't stress. Remember, I don't have access to email, and I did put these notes down here. So we'll just take care of it on Monday when I get back. All right, so have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.